Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft Edge has another update rolling out, which was made available late yesterday in my region on the 10th of August. And this latest update is a bug fix and performance fix update. So these are common between major version upgrades that Microsoft does roll out. And the latest version and build after this update has been applied is version 115.0.1901.203. So we've been bumped up from 0.200 to 0.203. Now, as far as I can recall, this is the third maintenance bug and performance fix update that is rolling out for Edge version 115. And if you've not seen the update, as always, Microsoft does say it will roll out progressively over one or more days. So just take note of that. And this seems to be pushed out just before we get our next major version upgrade to version 116 next week. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, we are getting Edge version 116 rolling out in the later stages of next week, most probably from next week Thursday into the weekend at the end of next week. Now, if you have experienced any issues in the browser like stability problems, glitches, bugs, performance issues, just double check that your browser is up to date, as it may address those issues. And after this update has been applied, I'm not noticing any tweaks or adjustments to the browser. Sometimes I do notice a couple of changes, little adjustments that these point release updates do push out as well, over and above bug fixes and so on, but not noticing anything at this stage. And as mentioned, this is a non-security bug and performance fix rolling out to address those issues just before we get our next major version upgrade 116 rolling out next week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.